it might be useful to group actors. You can place them in a folder if you want. So in the outliner, for example, with those actors selected, I will right-click, move to, and it will create a new folder. Now if I toggle the visibility by clicking the visibility button next to the folder, the visibility of all of those actors will be affected. It also allows us to quickly select all of those actors if we want to move all of them. So that's one way of doing it, but we can also group actors. With the actors that I want to group selected, I will right-click on my selection and then I can select group. The shortcut for that is Ctrl-G to group. With those actors grouped, you will notice a green bounding box around those. And so now if I select one of those actors in the group, it will select all of the actors. It's going to select the entire group. And if I move using the movement widget or the rotation handle, for example, that transformation is going to affect the entire group. With the group selected, we now have the option to unlock the group. So I'll just right-click and go to Groups, and then I will select Unlock. So now we can left-click and select individual actors within the group, maybe make some modifications to their transform. So I'll rotate some of them around, for example, maybe move some of them around. When I'm happy with my changes, I can simply right-click again and go to Groups. We have the option to remove an actor from a group. In this case, I'll just select Lock to lock the group again. And now again, if I translate or rotate the group, that is going to affect all of the actors in the group. There's also a shortcut to ungroup, and that is Shift-G.